There's 3D printing, electronics, lasers, pacemaker corner, and other stuff too. Hey, welcome to Greg's Maker Corner. Today I'm going to be building the Impossible Box, and this is a project from Just Add Filament from Keith and Nate Rogers. So I think you guys will really enjoy this one. It's a lot of fun to put together. Really not a whole lot of work, a little bit of soldering, but it's a great project. So check it out. And here's the box in action. Pretty quick, but it's working really well. And I'll also just kind of open it up so you can take a peek inside. Got the batteries here, got some wires, got a little servo motor and a toggle switch, and there's a few screws in here as well as some heater inserts to hold the screws. But it's pretty simple. Several 3D printed parts. I actually use Jesse PLA filament, which it's got a little bit of the glitter in there. I really like this filament. Turned out pretty well. There you have it. All right, here is the Just Add Filament package for the useless box. Just arrived today. And I've also got the 3D printed parts that I printed out ahead of time. You can see here that I've got like this main box. There's a couple lids that go on. And then there's like the thing that pushes the switch and a couple other little pieces. One thing that I'll mention about this is that you're going to want to print in an enclosure most likely, because you will see warping on the edges. I also used a brim, and a brim is basically a piece that's going to go around your part. I used a double layer brim, in fact, because I tried printing this a few times and the corners just kept wanting to lift, and that was even in an enclosure. So I would definitely recommend doing that, and I'll put a screenshot on what that looks like as well in the video. Okay, so personally, I think the Just Add Filament is a great deal. This particular kit is only $15. So what you're going to see here is basically the little kit, the useless box package, and there's a number of parts in here. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And hopefully I didn't do anything. Nope, I'm good. It's chock pretty full. So you open up the bag, and we've got some wires. So there should be everything in here that you need. Here's the switch. We've got some heat inserts and some, looks like maybe some M3, I'm guessing 6mm screws. Couple Just Add Filament stickers. And this is going to be the battery case. So you're going to be using a couple of AA batteries, I believe it is. Yep. So AA batteries, we're going to wire that up. An Allen key wrench for your M3 screws. This is the motor, and that's what's going to turn the little switch. And then lastly, it looks like you've got looks like a little button here, like kind of like an end stop switch. So that's pretty much everything in there. All right.